And fourth, we are going to discuss about IC engines. So IC engine, the introduction of IC engine as automobile power plant and working principle of the petrol engines, working principle of the diesel engines and four-stroke and two-stroke cycles and the combination of the four-stroke and the two-stroke engines. So now 15 we are going to refrigeration and the air conditioning system. So first terminology of refrigerations and the air conditioning system, then principle of vapor compression system, vapor absorption systems, and layout of the domestic refrigerations. Window type air conditioning type and the split type room air conditions. So we are going to discuss about the 5 units. So the unit number 1, content, introduction to mechanical engineering, concept of thermal engineering, mechanical machine design, and industrial engineering and manufacturing technology. So that's what is introduction to mechanical engineering. What is the mechanical engineering? The mechanical engineering is engineering branches that combine engineering physics, mathematics, the principle of material science to design, analyze the manufacture and maintain the mechanical system. The mechanical engineering fields require to understand the core area including the machines, dynamics, thermodynamics, material science and structural and electricities. So in addition, the core principles of mechanical engineers use tools such as computer-aided design, CAD, computer-aided manufacturing, CAM, and the product life cycle management to design and analyze the manufacturing plants, the industrial equipment, the machineries, and the heating and cooling system, and transport system, watercraft system, robotics, medical device, and weapons and others. This is the mechanical engineering, introduction to the mechanical engineers. So next we are going to discuss of the concept of thermal engineering. So the bone of the mechanical engineering, thermal engineering is one of the major subject of the mechanical engineering. Thermodynamics. The thermodynamics is one of the key subject of the mechanical engineering. What is meant by thermodynamics? It is science of relation between the heat and work and the properties of the systems. In other studies of thermodynamics, we will choose the small part of universe in which we will apply the law of thermodynamics. So we have 3 types of law in thermodynamics. First law of thermodynamics and second law of thermodynamics, zeroth law of thermodynamics. So 3 different types of laws is going to study in the further classes. Now we call the subsets of the system. So system is macroscopically identifiable collection of matter on which we focus on the attention. So this is a system. The system is surrounding. So what is the parts of the system now? This is a piston and this is a liquid system. Then this is surrounding. The piston, the boundary line is called boundary, and this is surrounding. The system around 2 types of system. One only boundary and surroundings. Only the system's major parts is available. Only the boundary and the surroundings. The types of systems, so the closed system and open system. The closed system, which means no mass permitted to cross the boundary. So the boundary no mass is enter or exits. This is called the closed system. The open system means which permit the mass to across the system of boundary with either directions or either direction. This is called the types of system. And another system is isosceles system, which in which there is no interaction between the system and surroundings. So surrounding and system no interaction is not, that is called isosceles, fixed mass and energy. It is called fixed mass and energy, no mass and energy transformation across the system. This is the types of system. So types of system, 3 types only: closed system, and open system, and isosceles system. Closed system, no mass permitted across the boundary, and open system, the mass is permitted. The isosceles system, no interaction between the system and surroundings. The mass or the volume is fixed. This is called isolated system. So now next I am going to discuss about this. This is called 3 types of the systems. One is the isolated system, closed system, and open system. So isolated system is only no exchange mass and matters. This is only for closed system only for exchange the matters. No exchange the. This open system means open system permit mass and everything is permitted. This is the schematic diagram of the open system, closed system, isolated system. Now I'm going to discuss the another topic, macroscopic and microscopic approach. The macroscopic approach, certain quantity of matter is concerned, which one concern is the events occurring in the molecular level. The effect can be described by means of sense or measure. Suppose you can measure the some pressure and temperature, that is called the macroscopic. You cannot measure the gas content like temperatures and the pressure is called the microscopic approach. So what are the properties? These properties you have two types. One the extensive properties or another one the intensive properties. The extensive properties it's some characteristics of system which some physically meaningful numbers can be assigned without knowing the history of beginnings. There is macroscopic in nature. Invariable properties must be identical systems. For examples, anode weight 700 kg and it's 1.7 ton. This is the properties. The extensive properties, whose the value depends on the size and the extent of the system. So extensive problem depends on the size. Upper is called volume mass. This is a, we know that the volume and mass 1 liter of water we have, it's fill the pouring the water, you know the volume of the mass. So extensive properties, whose the value depends on the size. So intensity properties, whose the value independent of the size and pressure temperature. We cannot see the pressure and temperature of the. This is called the first units introduced to the thermodynamics. Thank you. We will discuss about next class.